Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss NCERT Class 8 Chapter 2 Linear Equation in One Variable. Today, let us discuss some of the examples in linear equation in one variable. Now let us see first problem, that is solving equations which have linear expression on one side and the numbers are another side. Now let us see first problem. Find the solution for 2x minus 3 equal to 7. Now let us solve this problem, that is given 2x minus 3 equals to 7. As we said in the previous video, that is how to find the solution of an equation. According to that, the two sides, that is in both LHS and RHS, the two sides of the expression should not be disturbed, that is the balance shouldn't be disturbed. According to that, now in both LHS and RHS we have to add 3 on both sides, that is 2x minus 3 plus 3, that equals to 7 plus 3, that equals to, here minus 3 and plus 3 get cancelled and 2x equals to 10. Now the balance is not disturbed. Now here both the LHS and RHS should be divided by 2, that is equals to 2x by 2, that equal to 10 by 2. In this 2 get cancelled and 2 and 10 get cancelled into, that is 2 into 5 equals to 10, and here also balance is not disturbed. And now we find the x value, that is x equals to 5. In this way we have to solve the given equation. In this problem we have solved the equation in 2 steps. Now let us see the next problem. Now let us see the second question, that is 2y plus 9 equals to 4. They have given in LHS equals to 2y plus 9 and RHS equals to 4. Now we will do step 1, that is adding minus 9 on both sides, because here there is 9. In order to cancel this 9 we have to add minus 9, that is 2y plus 9 minus 9 equals to 4 minus 9. Here this 9 and minus 9 get cancelled and 2y equals to 4 minus 9 minus 5. Now let us see the second step, that is in the second step we have to dividing both LHS and RHS with 2, that is 2y by 2 equals to minus 5 by 2, and here both 2 and 2 get cancelled. Now we will get y equals to minus 5 by 2. And this is the solution of the equation. Now let us solve this equation by substituting y equals to 5 by 2, that is 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 9 equals to 4, that is here 2 and 2 get cancelled, minus 5 plus 9 equals to 4. That is 4 equals to 4. LHS equals to RHS, and hence proved this solution. From this, here 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 get cancelled. Now x by 2 equals to minus 3 minus 5 by 2, that equals to x by 2 equals to minus 8 by 2. Now here in this both LHS and RHS we have divided by 2. We have to multiply both LHS and RHS with 2. That is x by 2 into 2 equals to minus 8 by 2 into 2. Now 2 get cancelled. Now x equals to minus 8. We have found the x value. Now let us check by substituting x value in the given expression. That is x by 2 plus 5 by 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. Now substitute this minus 8 in the x value. Minus 8 by 2 plus 5 by 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. Now minus 8 plus 5 by 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. That equals to minus 3 by 2 equals to minus 3 by 2. That is LHS equals to RHS. And now the solution is proved, and x equals to minus 8 is the solution for the given equation. Now let us see the fourth problem, that is solve 15 by 4 minus 7x equals to 9. Now in order to solve this problem, first step, add minus 15 by 4 on both sides, and 15 by 4 minus 7x minus 15 by 4 equals to 9 minus 15 by 4. Here be 15 by 4 and this 15 by 4 get cancelled. Now we will get minus 7x equals to 9 minus 15 by 4. Now first we have to solve this. That implies minus 7x equals to 4 is the LCM, and 9 4s are 36 minus 15 by 4, that is 7x minus 7x equals to 36 minus 15 equals to 21 by 4. That implies next step, dividing with minus 7 on both sides. That is minus 7x by minus 7 equals to 21 by 4 into minus 7. Here minus 7 get cancelled. Now x equals to, here 7 into 3, 21. That is we will get x equals to minus 3 by 4. Now substitute this x value in the given equation, that is 15 by 4 minus 7 into minus 3 by 4 equals to 9. Now by solving this equals to 9 equal to 9, that is LHS equals to RHS. And this is about the example problems. In the next video, we will discuss exercise 2.1 problems. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the bell icon to get the channel notifications.